Hey everybody, it's Jackie. Welcome back to my channel. So I was really excited because I got my notice today that my NATASHA DENONA Love palette had arrived. So I got home from work, I got my box, so of course they get the paper on top. And then you see the NATASHA DENONA palette, they always have that in the box. And then here is the Love Glow Cheek palette sitting to the side by itself. So you know that this is protected. Here's the NATASHA DENONA palette. It has a really lovely pink chrome box. And then you've got your shade names on the back and your ingredients list. And the packaging is a lovely blush pink. It's kind of a pinky orange. It almost looks like the shade Orgasm by NARS. It's really, really pretty. And here's the palette. I think it is really beautiful and stunning. Of course, it's got the mirror. Here's a close-up of the shade. So you have first, which is actually a matte peach shade. It's showing up like a neutral, but it's actually a peach. Next to that, Lifetime is an orangey gold. Then next to that, Heartbeat, that is showing up. That's like a brick red matte. Then you have Transparent, which is, I don't know, it's kind of similar to Lifetime. It is more, the other one's more gold. This one is a little more, they're very similar, I have to say. It's another peach shade. Next to that is Trust, which is a matte plum that's showing up true to color. Below that we have Blind, which is it's kind of a pewter. It's showing up kind of silver, but it's kind of a silvery nickel color. It's like a silver and a gold mixed. Next to that, Commitment is like looks like a satin chocolate brown. Next to that, Pure Love is a pink with a glitter reflect in it. Can you see that? The blue sparkle in it. Next to that is Giving, which is a shade that looks like Super Orgasm. That kind of looks like the outside of the box. It is a peachy pink with pink glitter. That glitter in there is pink. It's showing up kind of silvery, but it's actually a pink glitter. Next to that is Heart, which is a matte tomato red. That's showing up pretty true to color. Soul, below that, is a terracotta. It's showing up a little bit lighter than that, but it's a terracotta matte. Next to that is Passion, which is kind of a maroon with the pink glitter. Passion and Giving and Pure Love and Lifetime on the top row. These four shades are glitter shades. Yeah. The next to that you have Intense. This is not showing up true to color at all. Intense is like a creamsicle orange matte. Next to that is Valentine, also not showing up true to color. It is a very light peach matte. And then next to that is Dream. That's showing up pretty true to color. It is a purple satin looking finish. I want to go back up to the top to First. Yeah, that is a peach. It is a very, very pretty palette. It kind of is a cross, to me, between, I don't know, Desert Dusk and Sunrise. It's very pretty. It's $65. I bought it because I do like the smaller palette format. It's more travel friendly, and I do like the shades in here. So you have a nice mix. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 7 mattes, 4 metallics with sparkle, and then Dream and Commitment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, Commitment and Dream kind of seem like satins. Yeah, so you've got the 2 satins, and well, Blind is a it's a metallic, and Transparent is a metallic, but not sparkle. So you've got Transparent and Blind are metallics, Commitment and Dream are satins, Giving, Passion, Pure Love, and Lifetime have got glitter in them, and then the rest are all mattes. So really pretty palette. I'm not swatching it right now. I just want to give you a first look at it if you haven't seen a video. I'm sure you've probably seen a video. I ordered this the day it came out, the minute it came out, which was, look at my sheet here, I think it was January 29th. Yeah, and today's February 3rd, so my, my 2-day rouge shipping took 5 days, but whatever. But here is the item of concern, and the reason why I'm doing this video now instead of when I intended on doing it. Here, I wanted to show you the Love Glow Cheek Palette. It has a really pretty, the same, well, no it's not. This is more of a chrome package where, no, it is the same. Let me just show you. The outside of the package has got the clear lucite top with glitter in it, moving in a liquid, you know, kind of like, did y'all get that Tarte palette with the turtle on it? Same thing. I thought since it's a Valentine's deal called Love Glow, I thought that the glitter might be little hearts, but it's not. It's just silver, gold squares and little bits of pink. It's really pretty, but I thought, you know, the Love palette, it might be hearts. I mean, that's just nitpicking. The ND is in a hot fuchsia pink, and the outside's really, really pretty, but let me open it up for you. So, here's what I got. I got a broken palette. And that's what happens when you order from Sephora instead of Beautylish. This shade down in the lower left is called Diamond Powder. And basically it is diamond powder. It is a, looks like a heavy metallic pink shade. It's a really gorgeous pink shade. But that is some chunky glitter. And I'm sure that's why it broke. That and the fact that Sephora will not bubble wrap an expensive palette to save their life. They've just got the worst packaging. If you want something not broken, order it from Beautylish and you'll also get it faster. So the only reason I did order from Sephora is I had 2 $25 VIB Rouge coupons that I had to use because they'll expire in 90 days. The palette does have a nice mirror up here, and here are your shades. So underneath, I can't swatch them because I have to return this. They're already sending me another one. It'll probably be another 5 days before I get it. But your bottom right shade, that is called Glow Impact Powder. That is a gold, bronzy gold. Gold isn't really my shade for highlighters. I prefer a silver or a white or a peach or something. For summer, that would probably look good. Up top on the right, you have Super Glow, and that is a really pretty peach. Let's see if I can open it up. Yeah, that is a really pretty And that looks like a heavy metallic too. It looks like it's got some gold glitter in it. It kind of looks like the eyeshadow formula. And then to the left of that, we have Glow Cream Base. And that is a really pretty peach. It's showing more brown on camera, but that is the palette. I can't swatch it. That pink is all kinds of chunky. I mean, you can see why that would shatter into a million pieces. It's pretty. Would I have purchased it if I didn't have the coupon? Probably not, only because I will not use that gold probably. But I do love the peach up here, and I do love NATASHA Denona, but I'm not really big on glitter in my blush. And that looks like a very heavy, heavy glitter. Yeah. Anyways, I just wanted to show you the palette. When I get they said they've already sent me a replacement. When I get it, I'll swatch it. But I don't know. My first impression on this is I like the Bloom palette from last year much better as far as the shade goes. And I also like the bronze palette much better. Let me see. I've got those right here in my drawer. Let me get them. Okay. So here's NATASHA Denona Bloom. And that's got the same kind of packaging in a orange. Oh yeah, I much prefer those shades. Because there you've got that red, and then you've got the glow. And then both of the shades are peach on the bottom. I should have just told them to give me a refund instead of shipping me a new palette. But I do like all of NATASHA Denona's stuff, and I did want to see it. But for comparison, in case you do have the Bloom palette, let me just open this back up. What a mess. Okay. So there are, and again, I wasn't planning on doing a video tonight. I was just going to open the box, and yeah, so I opened it and it's a mess, so I can't keep it. I've got to send it back in the morning. So I wanted to just show this. So those are the two palettes together. Let me put this one on the side. That blush is kind of close to that cream base. And I definitely prefer the Bloom palette to that. Those are more my colors. But anyways, so those are those two. And I also have the tan palette. So let me get that out since I'm standing here. Give you a little bit more to look at. I love this palette for summer. So here is the tan, the bronze palette. Same kind of deal. And put that right next to those. Alright, so there you see all of those. So there is your, I really love those shades in that tan palette. If you're interested, that's great for summer. And then there's your Love palette. And then there's your Bloom palette from last year. And if you think that red blush doesn't look good on you or it's too deep, it looks stunning. So I do highly recommend that palette. And that bottom left corner, that's more of a peach. All those shades in that is peach. The glow is a peach. The blush is a dark red. The bottom left is a champagne-y peach, and then the right corner is a tangerine peach. And then you have your Love palette, which leans on the pink, but that bottom right gold I don't care for, and then that pink is super crumbly. And the top is pretty, but so that's your pink palette. and then your bronze, which is just gorgeous. You got your glow cream base, and then you've got your regular on top right. That is kind of a peachy gold, more peach. And then your bottom contour shade and then your highlighter on the right is a lot less gold and a little more of a silvery gold like I like. So anyways, that gives you a little bit of insight into the blush palettes. And when I get the other one, I'll be able to do a video, but it's got to go back, so I can't swatch it or anything. Anyways, okay. Thanks a lot, you guys. Please like, subscribe, leave me a message, and I'll talk to you soon. Maybe I'll go ahead and do the Love palette, but I'll probably wait till I get the blush and do them both again together. Okay, thanks a lot, you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.